Hello, this is my Thunderbird 2009. Got a fair bit done to it. Just painted the forks yesterday. Yeah, I'll run you through it. Got NS Martin Soda Strong grips. NS cork stem, which is a bit dirty. NS Proof. Shimano hydraulic. Got a colony sticker because I just got BMX. Black RSTs, good stuff. DTs with E2200. With I bought a wrong hub, so I had to get a yarn. So I've got a octane one. Yeah. Gold spaces. Yes, bike sticker. Eastern. And this aerial pedals. Really good. White seat post. Pivotal. Federal seat. Stupid freewheel. Snapper sprocket. Salt cranks. Just like polished it, waxed it and stuff. Missing a valve cap at the moment. Yeah, one man rims. They're no good. So yeah, it's my bicycle. Thanks for watching.